How to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can easily delete search suggestions when typing on your Instagram app. It works on both Android and iOS devices, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if this tutorial helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever we post new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Go to your profile. Tap on the menu, then tap on settings. Tap on the search bar and search for recent searches. Tap on recent searches. Here you will see all of your recent searches. To clear specific search suggestions, tap on this cross. If you want to clear all of them at once, tap on clear all and again tap on clear all. So this is how to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing.